Discovered a faster way to walk. Instead of stepping forward where you go heel, toe, push off your toe, what you do is you land in the same spot. That's how you normally land, on your heel, but you land on your palm, twist your foot, pivot to your heel, and step forward. So basically, what this does is instead of just stepping like that, you reach the same distance, but landing on your palm, you do a really fast pivot, you go off to the side a little bit, but you step forward really far. If you just do a little pivot, you won't get very far, but if you like step from the side like that, you can pivot this way, and basically you just went from here to here. And it's actually very noticeable. If I walk like this is just like light steps, but it accelerates you, depending on how much you do it, about 50%. So if you start here, instead of stepping here, you go here, and then that. Now your palm's where your heel was. If you do it 90 degrees, you're essentially putting your heel where your palm of your foot initially was. So from here to there, which is a pretty big jump. But if you do like massive twists with your body and enter like that, basically backwards, you put your heel in a weirder position, but obviously it's slower than running, or just even like skipping along, that's still fast. But if you want to walk in a very somewhat terrifying way, you just twist your feet and you go very fast. I don't know why, but I've just learned to do that. And it is pretty noticeable if you kind of keep your stride the same length. And the longer your stride, the less of an effect it has, because if you're already stepping over here, then an extra little boost isn't going to change much. But like if you're doing small steps, so obviously these aren't going to get you very far, but then these are going to accelerate them, even if you put your foot in the same location. So see, one step would just be here, but if you land your palm there, do the twist, now your steps are significantly further apart. So if you do short strides and you're not in public because you don't want to look weird, and you just want to walk a little faster because why? Maybe socks on hardwood floor, you could do spins really easily, or on carpet of course, then just go ahead and give that a try. It's fun.